to show you the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, Bose sound system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.